welcome back to our channel. Yeah, I look ridiculous because yes, this is a kind of like a POV shot of the all-new Ford Everest. This is what I'm gonna be driving first, because since there are no Rangers in the dealerships whatsoever. Also, like to thank Sir Jaime and Sir Carlos for making this review possible, and shout out to Adrian behind me. You can subscribe to him, Adrian 1011. How do you pronounce it? But 1011.
So here, like you can't see the road, right? So let's use the front camera. There you go. Just go down. Alright. So here, if we're in an Everest, right? So usually family car, or if you're the type that likes to stay in a hotel, travel, you carry a lot of stuff in the back. I mean, it's not like the Ranger carries stuff like if you go to farms and heavy duty stuff. But this time, we're gonna carry like this, maletas, bags, boxes. So we're gonna stop here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then he's gonna load the back with some maletas. We gotta put it to park first, and then he's gonna load the back.
Oh, this girlie was lovely.
Yeah. So let me turn on the auto hold, so you can actually let go of the brake while it's on drive. Yeah. There you go. Then you see the light indicator there, the green. That means it's activated.
Oh, I see. Are we good to go?
Yeah, we are good to go. So, came from the mall or hotel, wherever. Put on your Waze.
Ford Makati, Angel Town.
Waze screwed up. We ended up here. So read that sign for me.
I have no worries.
Okay, so slow down. Let's turn on that camera. So it's tight, but when you look at it in the camera, you know where you're going through.
I see the advantage of the portrait screen now.
Exactly.
In use now.
Yeah. So isn't it so
4x2 available?
so easy?
So easy. Yeah, compared from before the old Everest,
Yeah, you can turn it left a bit.
just way better.
No, sorry, right lang. Then read that sign again.
It's so easy.
Alright. So this part, you know, say Makati. So you stop here. Makati, park on the streets, right? Yeah, sometimes you get parking slots that are tight. It's hard to parallel park. So we have this button. You press it, this comes out, so it's your parking assistance. Just press that, and it's gonna activate your park assist. So basically, you're gonna see where that Everest came out. That's where you're gonna park.
Oh, okay.
But we're gonna make it find it for you. All right?
Oh, I've never done this before.
No. You're still gonna control it, but it's gonna scan.
Okay.
So it's looking at the right side right now. So we want it to look at the left. So you signal left, and then you move forward at a slow pace. Yeah. So keep it straight. So it found the one in the back, but we're not parking there.
Okay.
We're going straight. You don't have to stay too close to the left side. No, just keep going straight. There you go. Just keep going straight. This is a good pace. Yeah, keep going. It'll tell you when. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. Put it to neutral.
Okay.
Alright, so the button we pressed a while ago,
It's P.
we're gonna hold that button down. Don't let go of it. Just hold it down till it's completely done.
So I will release the brake.
You can actually control the brake while you do it, but yeah, slowly release the brake. So hold it down,
Oh my god.
release the brake a bit. Now if you feel like a little uneasy, you can control that brake, but don't let go of the button.
My hand is off the wheel, by the way, guys. I am just holding the P button, as Sir Jaime said.
Yep.
No way. I've never done this before, so in any car. What? What? What?
Keep going.
No way, this is crazy. This is crazy.
Done. So let go.
Oh
And
my. Whoa!
it goes to park. So
That's crazy.
let's make him unload. Yep. So if you remember what that sign said a while ago.
It's so easy. Yeah, definitely so easy.
Exactly. Alright, so unloading, and the best part about it, it's also easy getting out of the parking.
Oh, you can do it like that too?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my, that's crazy.
So same process, just press the button, signal to where you want to go, put it to neutral, and go.
So
And
this
it's
one,
all here, and I'll tell you what to do, and you're good.
so P
Yeah,
first.
P first, there, signal, neutral. Oh, there you go, hold it down, let go of the brake. Oh, sorry. No, I think you were on the P before anything, so just press P
okay.
first. Parking assistance, there you go. Put it to neutral first, and then hold P. There you go, let go of the brake a bit. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Don't worry. Oh, okay. Oh, I think you were braking too much, but it's okay. Reverse pa. Yeah, there you go. So basically, it doesn't bring out the whole car. It brings out just the nose of the car.
So it's easier for you. Okay,
get out, yeah.
that's still cool.
Yeah.
So sport variant has this too?
No.
Ah, so
Just-
only kept this guys lang, this
Yeah.
tech. Okay.
So we're going straight there. Down, oh, all the way to that bus over there. So this next part. Stay on the left.
Okay.
Then you're gonna make a U-turn.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. So this next part. So you live in the Philippines.
Yes.
You know what happens when it rains too much. And all right, so keep going. Oh, let me put the camera there for you. Sorry.
Hey, what is this button? I never
That's
knew.
the off-road button.
Ah, okay.
All right, keep going. Yeah. There you go. Keep going. So, read that sign again.
I've got this.
You do got it.
Mhm.
So this is your basic Bagyo. Okay, so watch this guy. He's gonna tell you what to do. Straighten your wheel, left or right. So keep your eye on him. Left more. There you go. You watch the other guy on the other end. So if you see the
Oh
background,
my god!
you see the background, yeah? Does it look
Oh, that-
realistic?
Yes. Yep, that auto hold is really helpful. Oh my gosh, I haven't done this in ages.
Alright. So here, just let go of the gas. Let go of the brake. No. Gas, then let it roll lang. No need to brake.
Okay.
Yeah. Just let it roll, don't worry.
Oh!
Just-
I can feel the water.
Yep. Gurgling under. Straight lang. Gas. There you go. Just gas. No need to brake so much. Just let go of the gas. Alright. Left a bit, I think. Left. There you go. Left some more. And then straight. See? Did you even realize you went through water?
Yeah, this is so easy. I never experienced like this in a long time.
Alright. So next sign. What does it say?
Bring it on. Alright, so I assume we press this.
It's already on.
Oh, it's on already.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do now though is you press the 4. No, press, there you go.
Ah, so you don't...
No,
Swivel.
the swivel is the driving modes.
Ah,
So
I
we'll go
see.
straight. But right now we're just on normal mode. Because that's all you really need. That's how good this car is. So left there.
Left here.
Yep. Don't worry about it. It's very intimidating, but with this car, it's no problem.
I've experienced like this in SUVs since we
Yeah.
owned 2 pickups before. Never in an SUV. This is so cool. Whoa!
Straight na.
You'll be surprised. This car can do a lot of what those cars can do and feel good pa.
Wow, it's so comfy. Wow, that's so cool.
Alright, just follow the cones. Alright. So this part's gonna get a little scary also.
Oh, I've never done this. I forgot what you call this.
It's a side
Yeah.
mount. Side mount, I think it's called the side mount. Alright, let's press this. It's the differential lock. So no sliding around.
So both power on both wheels in the rear only, right? That's how it works. Right?
It locks the rear because usually when you're on a, you know, when one tire's up, one tire's down, it'll individually spin.
Ah, okay.
So this one will lock it so it spins at the same time.
I see. So also check the chassis. Solid. That's so cool. Wow.
A lot of power.
Power, baby.
Now this part, elephant holes. So these are really deep.
Jesus Christ. Ah, I see where we're going.
Yes, you do. Are you ready?
Hopefully,
So read the sign.
I can overcome anything.
Yes, you can.
So no mode anything. This
No?
as is.
Yeah, just align. Make sure you're straight. And we don't even have to make buena. Just take it easy. Just like you're going up a steel parking. An insane steel parking.
Whoa.
Alright. Steady on
Oh my God!
Alright. Keep going. Keep
Wow.
going. Okay, stop here first.
Okay.
Enjoy the view.
This is the view, guys. I am on top of the world. I am literally on top of the world. Oh, heck no.
Alright, this part, okay, keep going down, then I'll tell you to stop again. Turn to your right, you're
Okay.
too much to the left, to your right pa, right pa.
Oh.
Keep going right, keep going right. And okay, so this part, I want you to press that button. That is your hill descent control.
On the screen.
Yeah, so I'm gonna turn off your auto hold just for this, so you can see. Off-road mode, sorry. So it's on. The green is on there. You see that?
Yeah.
That's your indicator.
Okay, for comparison, guys, this is our angle. Forwards. We're going forward, okay? I'm letting go of the brake.
Keep your hand on the steering wheel.
Okay.
But let go of the brake.
Whoa.
Don't.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh
wow,
my, our stuff fell down. Oh my God. Oh wow.
The sunroof is like the windshield in my view. It's right in front of me.
Wow. That's crazy.
And
I did it. We did it. Oh my God. That was a crazy experience.
and
Oh my God.
you can just turn it off. Everything
We're
off,
done.
and you're
Alright.
good.
Adrian's turn.
We'll gradually go up. You don't need to make right now.
Oh my God. Here we go again.
Gas left a bit.
Whoa. Oh. Oh my God. Whoa.
Keep going and keep going. You're almost kind of there. Keep going and we're on top. That's the view. Alright, so let's slowly go down. Just point down, then we'll stop again. Okay, keep going. Keep going. And stop. Alright, so press this button. That'll be your hill descent. You can see over there. It's green. Let me turn off your auto hold because it's gonna just get in the way. Alright, you ready to just let go? You just have to let go. Don't press the brake. Look, I'm like hanging.
Roller coaster.
Go.
And it's so smooth. Like, it'll just bring you down slowly.
Still bumper top.
Yep. Now, you did it.
I did it.
Yes, you did. Alright, just turn off everything. It's good. Not too high.
thanks again for round 2.
No problem.
It was fun.
So I'd like to thank Sir Carlos, shout out to Miss Leo Ford BGC, and Sir Jaime, our instructor here.
Yeah.
His contact details will be somewhere here in the description down below. So yeah, this is part 1 Everest. We'll do the Ranger just in a bit. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you with more Ford reviews coming up. Bye bye.